Y'all, look at how my hair was for this meeting. I hate this. I literally was in with this. Disastrous. Disastrous. I was going for that like 90s, like, I don't know, that 90s vibe, 90s dark grungy vibe, but not, I don't know. So did Hollywood eyelashes, Renegade on the lip, lined it with Apocalypse. I don't know. See, I feel like my makeup on camera looks good, but in the mirror I look like a freak. So yeah, meeting went really good. Actually, just had a meeting with Pinterest. We love to see it. We love to grow and expand, even though everybody's trying to take my money, but it's fine. It's okay. Why do I like, is this the only hairstyle I'll ever do and ever know? Like, I can't do anything else? I do want to give it, okay, let's give it a little bit more oomphiana. That's not a word. Let's move this. Fucking have my meeting on this. Child. Y'all gonna be like, bitch, what did you get yourself into? I have a date later. Well, it's not a date, but I don't know. I'm leaving my house to go meet a man. And we're just texting. Pluck it like too much or too hard because I wanted a more natural vibe, but now I don't know what to do. Like, yeah, like I just want like a, you know in the movies when they just go like this and it's like boom. Okay, but I think I need to just really like hardcore bump the ends. So let us do that while you guys vibe out, and then I'm gonna change my shirt and we will get started with our day. Well, I've already started my day, but just listen to the music. As good as it's gonna get for me. I mean, it'll grow on me, but I really wanted to try this length. Not that I haven't done this before, but it's just been a while. Just, you know, casual, cute, casual vibes. Oh, I'm being OCD. Okay, let me change my shirt and what am I gonna do? Let me change my shirt because I'm also starving. So this is my finished business meeting look, even though this is not what I look like for the meeting, but it's okay. It's okay. This is the shirt. I'm just gonna take some cute pics in. Hot Topic jeans. These are from Macy's. Sorry, the lighting is kind of, my room sucks. Everything sucks. They're super fab. These are from Macy's. I've showed you guys these shoes. If I had an actual meeting, this is what I would have wore. This is businesswoman attire. So yeah, so I'm going to get some work done. I'm not gonna film that because it's boring. Like, it's so boring. Hello, it's a new day, new hairstyle, new glam. I'm wearing the top from Fashion Nova. I did cut it because like I couldn't breathe. Like, fuck that. And then for today, I lined my lips with Apocalypse, Oblivion, and Perish. Where's Perish at? I haven't worn Perish in a long time. So that's the combo for today. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention that this hair is from Sunber hair. It's really cute. I like cut a bunch of layers into it. Super 90s. I did kind of like get a lot of the bulk out from that side, but it's really cute. And this is the top, and I'm just wearing it with mom jeans. For my makeup, the 7 Deadly Sins palette, Gluttony and Greed on the eyes with Hollywood eyelashes. I love this look today. It's very, I thought like I would need to glam this shirt up with a red lip, but I love the vibe today. It's very cute. And then for glasses, I mean, the sun is going down, but I would have wore these glasses. I forget what La Femme Noir or something like that, but they don't fit my fucking eyelashes. Oh my God, hello, light. Oh, and look at that ass. Do you see that ass back there? No, sorry, I'm distracting. I'm gonna try and find a good place that I can do some work on my computer, because anytime I open my laptop, I cannot fucking concentrate. I would blame certain things, but I really just think that I'm over being in the fucking house. Like I really cannot, yeah. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna find somewhere. Where can I put you guys? I keep want to wear this hat today too, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm doing too much. Or is this cute? Is this is this a vibe? This is giving me indie Marley. When I was like fucking what? 17? No, not 17. 18, 19, I was very indie, like the bowler hats. Oh my God. What if I like this? I feel like this is good for like if you have a really bad hair day. Cause like, I don't know how you would. No! I won't wear this because I spent fucking forever on my hair, so no. Oh, and the gloss, I put on a gloss, this Marc Jacob gloss in the shade Get Lucky. Hey. Oh my God, I did a Q&A on my Instagram yesterday, and the way I got so overwhelmed with questions, I had no idea that everyone wanted to know, like, am I dating? Who am I dating? My sexual orientation? Do I literally, I'm not even joking, 20 of the questions were like, do you like women? You know what? I just don't think that I'm built to answer a lot of questions. Like after like 4 questions, I was like, okay, why did I sign up for this? I have this really cute bag from Killstar. I'm gonna bring my computer and my iPad. Gonna bring my Kelly Cadron. Oh my God. So you had to see my reaction for this. What happened? Let me calm down because I'm really excited. One of you guys tagged me saying that you got this book, not this book, the If You Have to Cry, Go Outside, her first book. One of you guys tagged me, was like, because of you, you know, you got this book or whatever. And I was like, oh, you know, I love me some Kelly Cadron. Why she follow me? She knows I exist. Gagged. I was gagged. I was screaming. Full on screaming. And then this is my like, I don't know, like work notes notebook. I'm gonna bring that, and I'm gonna bring her book too. And again, oh, you don't want to close. I love this. It's like a spooky. Yeah, one day I'm gonna get this right. It's like a spooky, damn it. What, Lily? Huh? What? What, Mama? It's like a spooky briefcase, and it's so cute. Hey guys, it's voiceover Marley. I just wanted to show you some close-ups of my new Etah Love jewelry. They're my favorite jewelry brand, and I wear them every single day, you guys see, and it's all handmade. I'm giving away a $500 gift card, yes, sponsored by Etah Love for one lucky winner. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and subscribe to their mailing list that I have linked below. The winner would be emailed 1 week from this video uploading. And everyone who subscribes to their mailing list automatically gets a $25 gift card. So I just showed you the Heads Will Roll bracelet, and this is the Royal Treatment ring. I haven't taken any of these 2 jewelry pieces off. I'm so obsessed with them. So please enter. I would love for one of you guys to win a $500 gift card. And this is the end of my Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.